Okay, so the next step in our step-by-step setup guide for NetSuite, excuse me, is general preferences. Now, general preferences, you will see I've got a worksheet here with pretty much all the options on the page in NetSuite, and I'm not going to fill that in. I would normally fill this in for clients. You'll see it has all the help details there, and this is a really important column, allow override, that I will explain in a second. So if we now go to NetSuite, we go setup, company, right, and I'm skipping regions, states, countries. I don't have to fill any of that in at this point in time, so I'm going to general preferences. Right, and you'll see date format, long date format. So this is pretty much a mirror image. So again, this is really handy for when you're gonna go to NetSuite, but you don't have the account yet and you don't have access. So you can use this to prepare your company so that on the day that you do get the NetSuite licenses, that you're ready. And so that you don't waste time and money by then trying to get all of this together. All right, so let's go there. I've already gone in there. Date format, right, let's see if there's another one. I like that one there. Long date, I like that one. That one's fine. Don't need that. Monday. I will go through this step by step with clients during the Integrisuite sessions. You will notice it says here overriding preferences. All right, so at the moment all of these are ticked. So that means that your users, once you set them up, will be able to override these preferences. Right, so as a rule, once I've chosen preferences, there's not many of them that I really want to allow my users to change. Languages may be one of them, right? So I'm going to untick all of them as a starting point because I don't want my users to be able to change those preferences individually. I want us all to be on the same page, and I think it really assists with support and training. So I'm going to allow them to change their language. Right? Is there anything else that I want to allow changes? Time zone, they might be in a different time zone for the minute. I think for the moment that's all that I'm going to allow them to change. Right. Screen font, Verdana. I quite like Verdana, so I'm going to change my screen font to Verdana. Languages, I've added Afrikaans here as that is my first language. Never actually tested that, so I'm quite keen to see the Afrikaans terms. Centers, don't need to do that. All the centers are already set up. And custom preferences. So this is all around this total sales activity, and I've ticked all the ones here that I want ticked for last sales activity. Right, so again, I do have this worksheet in my master configuration book that you could use to prepare yourself for when you do ultimately get your licenses, so you don't waste money. And yeah, I have just gone and run through this and set it all up.